Assalamu alaikum class, how are you? I am your teacher from the Educators FM campus. Today we are going to learn about large scale map and small scale maps. Large scale map. A map which shows a small area is called a large scale map because the area of land being shown on the map has been scaled down less. Its scale is larger. A large scale map shows a small area, but it shows it in great detail. Large scale map is in great detail. Small scale map. A map showing a large area is called a small scale map. A small scale map shows more area, but there is very little detail. A very little detail in small scale map. A globe is an example of a small scale map. The fraction is larger on a large scale map and smaller on a small scale map. This is a large scale map with a great detail, and this is a small scale map with a little detail. Lines of latitude and longitude. The lines of latitude and longitude are imaginary lines forming on imaginary grid over the entire earth. These are lines of latitude and longitude. Latitude. Latitude are imaginary horizontal lines running in an east-west direction, means left to right. Latitude lines are also called parallel lines because they are parallel to each other and at an equal distance from each other too. Latitude lines are parallel to each other. Latitude degrees numbered from 0 to 90 and north 0 degree to 90 south. The upper half of the earth from the equator to the north pole is the northern hemisphere. The upper is called northern hemisphere. The lower half from the equator to the south pole is the southern hemisphere. The lower half is called southern hemisphere. 90 degree north is the north pole. 90 degree south is the south pole. North pole, south pole. There are total 180 imaginary lines of latitude. How many lines of latitude? 180. Special lines of latitude. There are 5 special lines of latitude: equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, Arctic Circle. Equator, 0 degree, an imaginary line that runs through the center of the earth and divide the earth into 2 halves. This is equator, and this is Tropic of Cancer. Imaginary lines located at 47/2 degrees north of equator. This is Tropic of Capricorn and the upper is Tropic of Cancer. Arctic Circle, a special line near the Antarctic is called Antarctic Circle. This is Arctic Circle and this is Antarctic Circle. Longitudes. Longitudes are imaginary vertical lines running in a north-south direction, means top to bottom. Top to bottom. These lines are called longitudes from the north pole to the south pole. These lines of longitude are called meridians. These lines are not parallel like the lines of latitude. 0 degree longitude is the prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. Prime means first or most important. The prime meridian, which passes through the city of Greenwich, England, is the line of longitude that divides the earth into the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Another special longitude line is the international date line, that is 180 degrees east of the prime meridian. IDL give us the different time zone of the world. Hemispheres. There are 4 hemispheres, that are northern, southern, western and eastern hemisphere. These are the 4 hemispheres. Okay students, I hope your concept is clear. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.